Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back. My name's Will. This is the Wimmy YouTube channel. You already know, gotta hit you with a quick sales pitch. If you get to the end of this video, you found it helpful, you enjoyed it, think about hitting that like button. Also think about hitting that subscribe button. Totally free to subscribe. Really helps me please the whole YouTube algorithm when you guys do that by pushing my content out there. But with that out of the way, now let's get into today's video. So once again today, we are working on my 2024 Lexus GX 550. Like the title says, we are going to be installing some rear fender splash guards. They go right up in here, and what they do is, let me open up the door and show you. But as you can see right here, this area is cut out and it's sealed with this gasket here along with the door. But this piece right here that attaches to the door itself, as you can see, gets really grimy and dirty. It also gets pretty dirty inside here. And something I always seem to do, and I'm super prone of doing, is getting my pants dirty when I'm putting my daughter in her car seat back here. I always seem to get like really close, like right up here, as you can see. And as I'm reaching over here to place her in the car seat, I always rub my leg up against here. And it happened the other weekend, Mother's Day. I was wearing a pair of khaki pants. We were parked at a restaurant. It was really tight, so the door was like really closed like this. Excuse me. And I went over here. As I reached to put her up in the seat, my pants got absolutely filthy. So hopefully by installing these little extension pieces right here, I can kind of keep some of this grime that gets built up in here away, since it'll be now stuck underneath it and it won't be getting, you know, slung onto here, and then as the door's closing and opening, getting trapped up inside here. I also think it happens when I'm brushing up against this piece as well. So like I said, hopefully with installing this piece, I will save myself some dry cleaning bills. But let's go ahead, walk inside here now. I'll show you exactly what I'm referring to. These are really inexpensive, like I mentioned before. I picked these up on Amazon. I will have the product link down in the description below if you want to go and pick up a set of these. I believe there was like 60 or 70 bucks, so pretty inexpensive. Really flexible piece, but not like super flexible, but you know, flexible enough, should I say. But the installation should be really simple. They give you some hardware over here, but I'm hoping that we could just use the stock hardware and get all of this installed. Inside the bag of hardware, you get two new push pin little retainer clips. You get some wing nuts that you will be installing as well. So that's really all you get right there. Before I use these, I'm going to try and see if I can use the factory parts, but just wanted to go ahead and show you all the hardware you get. So as far as the connectors that are underneath here that you're going to need to remove, there's a few different types. Over here there are these little I would say, I guess, kind of like nuts that you just have to unthread, and there are two of these per side. They look like this. And the hardware that they give you to replace that with is actually a wing nut. I'll go ahead and I'll show you. So little metal wing nut like so. I'm actually going to try and see if I can retain the factory hardware on that. But then there's also a little push tab right here that you'll need to pull out. Towards the bottom down here, there are two Allen bolts that you'll need to undo, and then there is also a Phillips head screw. So let me go ahead and pull all of those out, and then we can start installing it. All right, so as you can see, I have it loosely fitted on here. They do give you a new push pin that you will be putting in up here, as when you pull out the other one, it does get a little bit mangled and it's a lot smaller, as you can see there. So with this one, you get a slightly larger diameter washer clip, so that's going to go in there. I would recommend putting that one in first to hold it into position, and then what I did was attach the two Allen bolts down here. Those are the ones that are closest to your side step right there. I did try and fit the factory little set nuts there, but they won't fit, so I am going to go ahead and reinstall with the supplied wing nuts. So once all of that is done, we'll be good to go. And then also, forgot I mentioned, you reinstall the little Phillips head screw right there as well. So it's honestly really simple, and as you can see, it's really firm, and it's not even tied down there. So let me go ahead, tighten all this up, and we'll go ahead and do the other side afterwards. All right, everyone, and we just beat the rain with this install, but let me go ahead and show you the new little fender guard all installed. As you can see right there, really simple to do, really solid. As you can see, it's not really shaking, it's not going to vibrate or anything like that, and it looks like even with like this 35 now, it's going to protect all of this underneath here. Install really simple to do. Little bit of a tight squeeze for me since I do have a 35 back here with tightening these two lower Allen bolts down there, but honestly not all that difficult whatsoever. It took me about 10 minutes to do the entire install. So like I said, product links are going to be down in the description below. Hopefully this saves me from having to make frequent trips to the dry cleaner to clean my pants. And yeah, that sounded wrong, but yeah. And as you can see, when it closed, there you go. It does have like a little bit of like a gap there, but that is what it is. At least it's going to be protecting the actual inside of the door right there from the tire flinging everything up there. So yeah, really simple installation. Check them out on Amazon. Links are going to be down in the description below. But yeah, short, sweet, simple video for you guys today. All right, everyone, so that's going to do it for this one. Really simple installation video today. Like I've mentioned a few times already, links are going to be down in the description below. Those are affiliate links, so if you do purchase from there, I really do appreciate it, because I get a very small little kickback from Amazon for doing that. But yeah, if you like the video, guys, like this video, share, comment down below. If you want to stay tuned for more project videos, hit that subscribe button. But as always, guys, my name's Will. This is the Women YouTube channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Later, everybody.